Intro music.
It's such pretty lights. Wow. His name is Jefferson. Yeah, he's sexy. I like to call this one Molly Ringwald for obvious reasons. Look at that. Oh yeah, she's nice. Oh, what is that? Is that normal? That's horrifying. What's he doing? He's having a little seizure. Oh, now that's an amazing tree right there. You know, I'm starting to think I should go outside more often. Nature really is wonderful. I can almost see inside of it. I wonder if there's any sap. Guys, I don't know what kind of plant this is, but I really like him, so if y'all could help me identify him, that would be amazing. He's got a grayish pink hard flesh, wee eyes, and I don't know what that is, but I assume it's a leaf. There's the back of him. The help is really appreciated, thank you.
Outro music, outro music, outro music, outro music, outro music, outro music, outro